Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tulika's Vibe. I'm here with another video and this video is gonna be super helpful for most of you. This is completely hair related and many of us actually facing this problem in our daily life. Split ends, the annoying hair problem. But don't worry, I'm here with solutions, so keep on watching. So here is the before and after video of my hair and you can clearly notice the difference. What is split ends? When a single strand of hair splits into two, that's split ends. Split ends happen when the ends of your hair become dry, brittle and frayed. What causes split ends? Exposure of extreme weather conditions and hair styling techniques such as blow drying, straightening and curling may cause split ends. They are also caused by chemical hair products. Split ends can leave your hair looking damaged and dry. Split ends can't be repaired. Luckily, there are super easy tactics for getting rid of those split ends. In few minutes, your hair will be healthy looking, shiny. Don't worry, you don't need to cut your hair. Your hair length will be the same. So let's get into the video. But before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification every time I upload a new video. So let's start. At first, reveal the damage of your hair, just have a look. If the ends of your hair are discolored, dried, frayed, you need to apply this technique I'm gonna show you. Brush your hair. Make sure that your hair is not wet. It's helpful for your hair to be dry so that the split ends appear easily. Take a narrow toothed comb. Separate a 1-inch section of dry hair after brushing it. Take a 1-inch section of your hair in your hands. The section of your hair doesn't have to be exactly 1 inch. If your hair is thin, you might take a bigger section, while if your hair is super thick, you might take a smaller one. Brush it if it's tangled. It's best if you start on one side of your head so that you don't get the section of your hair mixed up as you go along. Twist the section of hair tightly to reveal the split ends. Start at the top of the section of hair. Twist it as you go down. Continue twisting the strand until the entire section is twisted rather tightly. Once the hair is twisted, you will be able to see the ends of some strands popping up out of the twist. Take a hair scissor if you have any, otherwise you can use any scissor. Examine the ends that are sticking out of the twist. Most of them are likely to be split ends. Trim off the split ends that are sticking out of the twisted section. Actually, this is called dusting. Cut off the split ends by starting from the top of the strand and going down. This will help ensure that you don't miss any of them. I have already examined before and I don't have any split ends on top of my hair. That's why I have started from the middle length. If you have shorter hair, then that will be more difficult for you. Use a mirror when cutting off the split ends. If you feel that there are more split ends left, to reach even more split ends, undo the twist that you formed. Now start twisting the strand of hair the opposite way. This will help split ends become more visible that didn't appear during the first twist. Trim them with the scissors. Now this section is done. Move to the another section of hair. Repeat the same. You can use hair tie or clip to separate hair that needs to be trimmed from hair that has already been trimmed to avoid the mess. The trimming of all the sections are done now. Now have a look of end parts of your hair. If you feel that the end parts of your hair still looking damaged, dried or discolored, then take small section of your hair and hold it with the help of your fingers tightly like this and keep trimming. It will take hardly 30 minutes. You don't need to go to salon every time. You can do it at your home. It's super simple and easy. Continue trimming to the other section of your hair. Here are some tips to avoid split ends. Get regular haircuts and trims. Don't wash your hair daily. Always use conditioner after shampoo. Choose the hair products that contains no harsh ingredients. Use a white tooth comb to detangle your hair. Try to avoid services that damage your hair such as coloring and chemical straightening. Use a heat protective styling product before blow dry, straightening, curling your hair. Try to avoid use of heat on your hair. Look at this now, it's more soft and shiny. So you can see the instant result. So that's it. That was the video for today. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And let me know in comment below that how you treat your split ends. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye.